What if you could travel across Africa in just 40 minutes without leaving your seat? Today, we'll explore the most beloved dishes from each African country. From street food to home-cooked meals, get ready for a mouth-watering journey. Africa's food is not just about taste, it's a story, a tradition, and a celebration of life. Which dish are you most excited to try? 1. North Africa. Kosari. Made with rice, lentils, pasta, tomato sauce. Tagine. A slow-cooked stew with meat and spices. Couscous. Made with semolina with vegetables and meat. Brique. Crispy pastry with egg filling. Basin. Barley-based dish with meat and sauce. Full medams. Made with mashed fava beans with garlic and spices. 2. West Africa. Jollof rice. Spiced with tomato-based rice dish. Wache. Rice and beans with sides. Thibudin. Fish and rice dish. Teak. Made with fermented cassava couscous. Kuli kuli. Spiced peanut snack. Fufu and light soup. Made with pounded yam with flavorful soup. Groundnut stew, peanut-based meat stew. Demoda. Made with peanut butter stew. 3. Central Africa. Mom chicken. Palm butter chicken stew. Dole. Bitter leaf stew with nuts and shrimp. Pulinyembwi. Chicken in palm butter sauce. Diraba. Okra and peanut stew. Cassava leaf stew. 4. East Africa. Dorawat. Spicy chicken stew with injera. Nyama choma. Grilled meat, often goat or beef. Rolex. Chapati rolled with eggs and vegetables. Pulao spiced rice dish. Isambi cassava leaves and peanut sauce. Various kookeries, spiced rice with meat. 5. Southern Africa. Bobore. Spiced meat casserole with egg topping. Sadza and nema. Maize porridge with meat stew. Nshima with a fisashi. Maize porridge with vegetable sauce. Malawi chambo fish, grilled fish from Lake Malawi. Kapana. Grilled beef street food. From the spice markets of Morocco to the Bray grills of South Africa, Africa's cuisine is as diverse as its people. Have you tried any of these dishes? Let us know in the comments. Which country's cuisine should we explore in depth next?